Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to get email notifications for post updation in WordPress. So whenever a post is updated on WordPress, an email notification will be sent to the admin of that WordPress account. This can be done with the help of this automation that we are going to create using Pabbly Connect. Here our trigger will be the post updated in WordPress and our action will be to send an email using Microsoft Office 365, that is Outlook. So basically we will be integrating these two applications. Let us learn how to do that. So in this video, we are going to learn how to receive an Outlook email whenever an update is made in any of your WordPress posts. Let us quickly sign in into our automation software Pabbly. That will take me to this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly to you. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you can see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Get Outlook Email Notifications on WordPress Post Update. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you. Like you can see on your screen, you have trigger and action windows. Now, before we start with the workflow, make sure you have opened your WordPress account and your Outlook account as well in separate tabs. That will make your connection easier and you can also cross-check the changes you are going to make over here. So now let us move on to trigger and action. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that trigger is going to be the first application where we are going to perform the event manually. And that will trigger this workflow so that the action application performs the assigned action automatically. Here the trigger is going to be WordPress because the update in WordPress will be done manually by us right now. And then automatically an email will be sent that an update has been made on so and so post. So the event over here will be post updated instant. Now what is instant? Triggers when existing post update. Alright. And post update is that triggers when specified post is updated. Like any specific post update will be used. But over here any existing post will be updated. So we are going to use the instant one. Now once we do these settings, we are provided a webhook URL by Pabbly Connect, which we are going to use to connect our WordPress and Pabbly Connect in such a way. See, there are multiple things that can be done in WordPress. You can create, you can preview, you can order, you can change, you can update, n number of actions that you can perform over here. But we want one specific action to be performed, that is post update. So in order to make these changes, we are going to use this webhook URL in such a way that only and only when a post is updated, that complete information related to that change will be sent to our Pabbly Connect. So let us learn how to do that. First of all, you go to plugins, add new plugin, and you have to install a plugin that will help you use the webhook URL. In search plugins, write WP webhook and you will get this webhook. See, it's active and it's been installed in my system. You also need to install it. Once you're done with this, go to settings and then WP webhooks will be available here. Reaching here, you can see send data in this menu. Click on send data and after that you will reach this place where you can see all the webhooks that might be used for all these different scenarios. So we are going to search over here post updated. Alright, so we want to create a webhook for post update. Now there is just one created over here. Click on add webhook URL and here you have to enter a webhook name. So I am going to write over here post updated and in this section I will copy this webhook URL and paste it here. Click on add for post update and it is done. Once this is done, you have to go to that link which is next to your trigger. So when you come down over here, it is still on post update and this is the one we have created. Click on these three dots, settings. You have to choose the trigger which is post, which means that this has to work only on post, not page, media, revision, nothing, only post. Once this is done, click on save settings and you are done from here. So this is done. You can come back over here to your all post again where we started from. Now you see it's waiting for a webhook response, which means that it is waiting for a post to be updated. So we are going to choose a post right here. Let us say automation today. And we want to make some changes to this. I have changed the title. Alright. And I'll click on update. And once it is updated, a response will be received over here. And here you can see we have received the response. Alright. So it is updated now. And here you see we have so many things. This is the post thumbnail, then link of the post. Alright. and then you have the details. The title is here today, before title, and then you will get the after title also. This is the post title. So the changes can be seen over here. We also have the content of the post here, which means that all the details related to the post is available. Now you want to get this email to yourself or the admin of your WordPress. So when you will be assigning this mail to the recipient email address, enter the email address that you have to send the mail to. You won't get any email address over here in WordPress, but you have to enter that manually. You can add 2-3 email addresses also, putting comma in between. So we will choose our action application as Microsoft 365. The event over here will be send mail. You can also choose send mail to multiple users if you have multiple users to whom you want to send a message. Right now, we are just going to send the mail to one person. Click on connect, add new connection and connect with Microsoft Office 365. Now, as I told you that we have to make sure that we open our account over here. So we will just have to click on yes and give access to Pabbly Connect. And the connection is successful. Now you have to fill in certain details that are generally required to compose a mail over here. What will be the subject? So the subject will be WordPress post update. Then the content is plain. What is the content? Dear user. Title as enter the name of the title has been updated to. What is the new title? This, map that. Then please have a look, full stop, and then enter, and you can enter the link of your post over here. So this is the link. Okay, recipient, as I told you that we have to enter over here the email address of the admin or the respective person to whom you want to inform about this specific updation in post. So I am using this sample email address for this case so that we can check are we able to send the message or not. So click on save and send test request. And here you see that no error is shown, but it says the application processed the request but returned a blank response. So the response is blank, but the application has been processed, which means our work has been done. So let us quickly close this window and go to check that sample mail, that was the message sent or not. This is my inbox and I will refresh this. And here we have the post. Here we have the mail. The name, this is the automation today being updated to automation nowadays, and please have a look. And this is the link over here. You open the link and you're taken to the post. See, this is the complete post over here, which means that we have received this email. So every time a post is created and it is updated further, then a mail will be sent as a notification. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.